Alright, so if I ask you how many YouTube videos have you watched till now which talk about dressing up for festive season outfit ideas and styling ideas and everything, I know there'll be a lot of them because internet is full of festive season and clothes and music and food and everything. But one thing which I observed is that in this generation and trend of experimenting and fusion and Indo-Western stuff, not a lot of people are interested in sticking to the roots and the culture. So in this video, I will be wearing 3 sarees in 3 different beloved. And yeah, talking of the saree, all the 3 sarees are my mom's. She hasn't purchased them from one particular site or shop. But surprisingly, I noticed that a lot of sarees are similar to the ones that I'm wearing and are available on Amazon. So if you want, you can check them on the site. I won't say that they are the exact same, but they're very, very similar. So yeah, now that you're here, stick around till the end and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, talking of the first saree, this is hands down my absolute favorite. Instead of keeping the drape like normal, I have pinned it on my right shoulder, giving it a kind of bong feel. For my face, I've added a good deal of blush and eyeshadows because why not? I think it goes really well with the color of the saree. For my eyes, I'm gonna do a shitload of kajal for the kajal freak that I am. I love wearing kajal, it lights up my eyes so well. Talking of the accessories, I don't think this look would have been complete without bangles and these beautiful earrings. Overall, I think this looks really elegant and lit. The next saree has a charm of its own. It's a Bhagalpuri silk material and looks so expensive and so elegant. The green color in this one looks so beautiful and the golden border adds so much more to it. I have worn this one in a very simple regular way, kept the pleats really neat and crisp. I think this saree looks the best this way. Tied my hair in a bun and for my face I've kept the makeup very normal, but to add a different element I wore this big red bindi which changes the look completely. For the third look, I've kept this one really different for the sole reason that not everyone likes to dress up all glammed up. But to keep the festivity going on, I chose this one for its print. The Indian style ethnic thing going on looks really authentic to me. For accessories, again keeping it mellow yet Indian, I wore these oxidized bangles. Kept my hair open and I think this looks really pretty in itself.